I have the Commercial Chef microwave. I bought mine on December the 7th, 2021 for $99. I think it's still that price. I really like it. It's large, push button open, has a large glass turntable. I wipe mine down after every use because I don't want moisture building up. I've had microwaves in the past where the moisture starts resting at the back. But this one has the little features here that I rarely use. It doesn't have like the instant buttons where you push like 1, you get 1 minute, 2, you get 2 minutes, you have to set it. So it's like 100 start, which that's okay with me. This is a little
This is the part of the product that I don't appreciate. This button right here, it's very flimsy to utilize. It's a very, and then when you see, it's still jiggly, and I don't like that. I just, it's a piece of crap. I should never have paid almost $100 for it.